स्वागत है आप सभी का इस चैनल में। और आज हम लोग बात करेंगे CSIR नेट फिजिक्स नवंबर 2020 के कुछ क्वेश्चंस और उनके सॉल्यूशंस के बारे में। ये CSIR नेट फिजिक्स का एग्जाम 19 नवंबर 2020 को हुआ है, तो उसके पार्ट ए के कुछ क्वेश्चंस और सॉल्यूशंस हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले तो आपने अगर इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जाके सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, क्योंकि और भी आगे मैं इस एग्ज़ाम से रिलेटेड और भी कई एग्ज़ाम से रिलेटेड आगे अपडेट्स देती रहूँगी इस चैनल पर, तो आप सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लीजिएगा। और उसके बाद हम लोग देखते हैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस और उनके सॉल्यूशंस। तो सबसे पहले है फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम लोग देखते हैं। 7 पर्सन्स सिटिंग इन एरो ABCDEFG दिए हुए हैं, एंड नाउ here we have given 3 conditions. First is E and B are sitting adjacent to each other, and second is F is sitting between D and G, and last, if C is sitting 4 places left to F, then who among the following can't be sitting at the center? So here we can make the combinations like this. First condition is E and B are sitting adjacent, so E and B are sitting adjacent, and after that F is sitting between D and G, so F is sitting between D and G. Now here we can put D and DFG also left to the E and B, but here we have to see the third condition. Third condition is if C is sitting 4 places left to F. If C is sitting 4 places left to F, so if C is 4 places left to F, then we have to put E and B in between the C and D, F, G. So the combination will be C, E, B, D, F, G. Now we do not have any condition for A, so we can put A here, or we can also put A at the end of this after G. So but in the combinations can be A, C, E, B, D, F, G, and also it can be C, E, B, D, F, G, A. But in the options we can see that we do not have A at the edge, so the combination correct combination will be A, C, E, B, D, F, G. So here G cannot be at the center, and we can put the correct answer as G. Now the next question is: from an initially full bucket of water dripping continuously from the bottom, the center of mass of the bucket with water. So here it is asking for how the center of mass of the bucket with water will change. So according to me, I think it will be moves downward first and then shifts up, because first the mass of the water is decreasing, and so the center of mass will move downward, and after some time the mass of bucket will overcome that decrease, and due to the mass of bucket the center of mass will shift upward. So I think the correct answer would be it moves downward first and then shifts upward. You can also suggest the correct answer if I am wrong. Your suggestions are welcome. So now the third question is: the maximum tolerable exposure time for noise is about 8 hours at 85 decibel and 90 seconds at 110 decibel. Assuming linear noise response of the ear, an increase of 3 decibel in the noise would reduce exposure time by. So now the rate of change in decibel, or dB by dt, we can write it as 110 minus 85, that is the change in decibels, and by change in time with respect to this is 90 seconds minus, here it has given 8 hours, so we have to write it in seconds, so we have to multiply it by 3600, so it will be dB by dt. And now dB has given as 3 decibels, so we can multiply it by 3, and here we can get the value of dt, that would be 3445.2 seconds, and if we convert it into minutes, then it is 57.42 minutes. That is the approximate answer is given in the options is matches with 60 minutes, so the correct answer will be 60 minutes. After that, the fourth question is given as a couple lives in a house with their sons and daughters. If the couple has four sons and each son has two sisters, then total number of persons in the house. So two members are the couple and they have four sons. So four sons, and it has given that each son has two sisters. So we have to see that in total there are only two girls or two daughters, because the sisters are common for all four sons. So the total number would be two of couples and four sons, two daughters. So total number will be 8. Now the next question is, a bank pays compound interest if a deposit becomes 54,000 after 3 years and 64,800 after 6 years. Then what is the principal invested? So the formula for compound interest is, the total amount will be a equal to principal value p into 1 plus r by 100 power n. Here n is the time, or n is the value of time in years here. So from the first condition or initial condition, we can write it as 54,000 equal to p 1 plus r by 100, or it is given after 3 years, so time would be 3. After that, 64,800 equal to p 1 plus r by 100 power 6, that we can write from the second condition. Now if we do equation first by equation second, then we can get it like this. And here, after solving this, we can get the value 1 plus r by 100 power 3 equal to 648 by 540. And if we put the value of 1 plus r by 100 power 3 in the first equation was 54,000 equal to p 1 plus r by 100 power 3, then we can get the equation like, we can put the value of 1 plus r by 100 power 3 as 648 by 540. Then we can get the value of principal amount, or p is 45,000. So that would be the correct answer. After that, next question. A wire is bent into the square shape enclosing area M. If the same wire is bent to form a circle, then the area enclosed will be. So we can see that if we consider the side length of a square is a, then area of square will be a square. A square is given as m, then a will be root m, and if we see the perimeter of this square, then it will be 4a, and 4a is 4 root m. From here a is root m. So now the perimeter will be constant, or the periphery of the circle will equal to the perimeter of the square. So that will be 2 pi r equal to 4 root m. From here r is 2 root m by pi, and area of circle will be pi r square. So pi 2 root m by pi square. So we can get the answer as 4m by pi. That will be the correct answer. Now next question is, the scores of 6 students in an exam is given as 38, 45, 42, 58, 62, 55, and in the same exam scores of 6 students of a group B are given as 38, 41, 44, 46, 49, 52, and the size of B is 7. So the size of B is 7, but we have provided that only scores of 6 students. So here we have to find the score of 7th student in the group B. Now it is also given that the mean of group A and group B are equal. So first we can find out the mean of group A, that is 38 plus 45 plus 42 plus 58, means the sum of all the numbers divided by, there are 6 numbers in the 6 members in the group A, so a sum would be 300 by 6, that is 50. So the mean and we have given that mean is equal for B also, so we can put the mean of B equal to 50. Now the members of group B are 7, and we have given the scores of only 6, so we can consider the score of 7th member is X. And now if we solve this equation, then we can get 270 plus X is 350. From here we can get the value of X is 80, so the score of 7th member is 80. Now the next question is, in a flight of 6 km, an aircraft was slowed down due to bad weather. Its average speed was reduced by 200 kilometers per hour, and the time of flight increased by 30 minutes. What was the scheduled duration of flight? So uh, the distance is 600 kilometers, and if we consider the normal speed as x kilometer per hour, then after reducing 200 it would become x minus 200 kilometer per hour, and the duration of flight is given as 30 minutes increase. So if we consider normal duration y minutes, then it is y plus 30 minutes, and here we have also we have to consider it in kilometer per minute, so we have to multiply it by 60 to change it into minutes, kilometer per minutes. And also the normal duration is, if we consider y minutes, and the normal time normal speed of the flight is x kilometer per hour or x by 60 kilometer per minute, then, and also we have given the distance that is 600 kilometers, so x by 100 means speed into time will be 600, so xy will be 36,000 and y will be 36,000 by x. From here, if we put the value of y in the equation, in this equation, so we can solve it by putting the value of y into the equation, and we can get the answer as x equal to 600 kilometer per hour, and if we put the value of x into the equation, then y equal to 36,000 by x, that is 60. So y we have considered in minutes, so y will be 60 minutes or 1 hour, so correct answer will be 1 hour. So that's how we have seen the solutions of all the, not all the, some questions or some memory based questions of CSIR NET physics or physical science exam that is held on 19th November 2020. So here we can match the answers, and also please do subscribe my channel. I will update more questions on this channel. Thank you.